Okay, we have the Specialist Maths paper, Tech Free, paper 1 from 2020. And we are looking at question 12. Consider the vertices A, B and C of the rectangular prism as shown. State the coordinates of A, B and C. So A would be, this is my X, my Y and my Z axis. So A would be 1, 3, 0. B would be what's B going to be? B is 3, 2, and it's 0 on the X, isn't it? Sorry, I just had a little bit of a brain thought. C up here is 1, 0 on the Y, 2. Oh, it's a bit wonky, my writing, but there you go. We get all our coordinates. Determine a unit vector n that is normal to the plane containing A, B and C. We're going to go that n, our normal, would be AB cross AC. Is where we need to go with this. Because if A, B and C are all on our thing n, and of course we actually, it's got the little hat on it, we actually want n bar, don't we? So let's just start with n for the moment. AB be 0, 3, 2, take 1, 3, 0. Because it's OB, take OA. So that's -1, 0, 2. AC, 1, 0, 2. Take 1, 3, 0. Gives me 0, -3, 2. So now n bar is -1, 0, 2 cross 0, -3, 2. Now this is tech free, so you're going to want to use your rule on your rule sheet for how to do a cross product. So straight off our rule sheet, we're going to have 0 times 2, take 2 times -3. We're going to have 2 times 0, take -1 times 2, -1 times -3, take 0 times 0. That's just using your rule off your rule sheet. Go find your cross product rule. And that's, you know, A1, B1, etc. To get us to the point of we should have 6, 2, 3. That's what n is equal to. We were actually wanting the unit vector. So we need to go a little further. So what is the absolute value of n? Oops. And that's going to be 6 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is 36 plus 4 plus 9, square root of 49, 7. So nicely done. So my n hat is 1/7, 6, 2, 3. I'm just going to leave it as 1/7. You could, of course, or you could go n bar hat is 6/7, 2/7, 3/7, if you prefer. Either would be fine. Now we're asked to verify that the unit vector of n, and with a little hat, is perpendicular to AB. So I'm going to go n hat dot AB. So I'm going to What do we want to do? Do we leave the 7th out the front? We can go either way. Depending on which version you left it there, you want to go with where you want to go with that. I'm going to just leave the 7th out the front. 1/7, 632 dot AB was -102. That's 1/7. 6 times -1 plus 3 times 0 plus 2 times 2. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I made a mistake translating that over. N bar 623, I made a mistake. I was worried because it wasn't equaling 0, because I wanted to equal 0 to show that it was perpendicular. But I had my 2 and my 3 mixed up. So that was a 2 and that was a 3. That was a careless error that I made. So I knew I'd made an error because I want it to be 0. Because here, -6, 0, 6. That's 1/7 times 0 is 0. So therefore, N hat is perpendicular to AB. Because that's how you show that two vectors are perpendicular. Their dot product is 0. Now we're asked to determine the Cartesian equation of the plane that contains A, B and C. Go to your rule sheet and you get your vector equation of a plane, R dot n equals A dot n. So that's going to be x, y, z dot n. 6, 2, 3. Make sure I get that order correctly. A is 1, 3, 0. 6, 2, 3. So multiply that, I get 6x plus 2y plus 3z equals 1 times 6, 3 times 2, 0 times 3. So 6x plus 2y plus 3z equals 6 plus 6, so equals 12. And there's my Cartesian form of that plane.